Hey guys, my name is Sir Ruthless, and today I got a cool review that I think is very nice to have in your car. It doesn't just apply to mine, but mine is a 2008 Tahoe, and I believe that this is a unique car mount to anybody that has a humongous tablet but want to use it inside their car for, as an example, music or a GPS. Most importantly, that was my main reason for having it. Let me show you guys the product. The product is right here. This is the tablet mount. I bought it for $40 off of Amazon. Link in the description down below. So it's basically, this is how the system works. There's a suction cup right there, and it sucks onto the windshield very well. There's also a lock mechanism right here that locks this into place. It also has an arm extender depending on your reach on where it needs to go. It locks as well, so it stays sturdy. And I also velcroed it. That's my modification to it. I believe that it needs to be velcroed. Just in case you do tight turns, then you can, so it won't fling around. This is heavy duty Velcro. You can buy it off of Walmart for $5. It supports up to 10 pounds. I think all of this is less than 10 pounds for sure. I also have it with my case right here as well. So the reason why I got this is because I do not want to switch out my head unit to something that does not match and looks ridiculous. I don't like having an all screen. I think it defeats the styling of the car for what it is, especially when it has panels down here that are a different color. So this is like I consider it as a band-aid, I guess, but it works very well with this car, the Tahoe 2008, and it should work with all the other cars, the Yukons, the Suburbans, the Tahoes, the Yukon XLs, Avalanches, all those cars. But with my car, I can vouch for that it is very perfect, in my honest opinion. And also, I don't ruin the car's look. So what makes it very easy and unique is that I can just grab it, and then that's it. And then it just stays right there, and then you guys can just pop it off and take it off. I mean, it's as good as it gets. It has smooth padding right here for you guys, just in case you don't scratch up your device, and these are grooves right here for the device as well. The package also comes with other size clips. So these are the clips right here, and I'm using the two big ones on the bottom and two short ones on the top that do mount my iPad very tightly together, and it does the job right. It also comes with more security features as well, like little tabs right here that you can lock this. I haven't needed them yet, as this has not slid out, and it does my job very well. So this is basically my review for anybody that needs want their tablet to be mounted but want to do it cheaply. All of this costed me was $40. $50 if you include my aux adapter from my iPad, but that's roughly about it. $40 and you got yourself a tablet car mount that I genuinely trust myself. The Velcro is just an extra layer of security for my sake, because the screens are too expensive to replace, and I retain the original look of the car. So guys, I appreciate you guys watching this video. I will try to post more videos. I have a 2.5 inch level kit for the Tahoe as well that I would like to make a review, as there's only one review out there, and I don't think it does a very well job or justice for what the level kit is. And also I have also switched the mirrors from DLA to DL3, the movable mirrors, and I want to make a tutorial or an explanation saying what the mirrors are, how to get them, what you need to do, and explain it properly, as I've read in forums and had to figure out basically by myself, just by reading, that there's a lot to it, and I would like to explain it to you guys and help anybody out with these cars, the Tahoes and the Yukons. So I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you guys liked my little baby review of explaining this, drop a like, maybe a subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you and goodbye.